I am Sreenivasan. I am an associate PAG in Affine Analytics India. I am basically working as a business analyst in. So I am from Kerala. I graduated in electronics and instrumentation engineering from Cochin University of Science and Technology. After that, I worked as a content writer for an advertising agency. So in 2021, I decided to switch my career into data science, and that's how I came across AlmaBetter, and I joined their course in May 2021. By February 2022, I got placed in FN Analytics. Basically, I researched about different data science institutes. The course fee for almost all the institutes were very high. I was not in a financial status to pursue those courses. So that's when I came across after placement course of AlmaBetter. That's why I chose to join AlmaBetter. So my favorite element in placement process Almax was the allocation of career coach. My career coach was a senior data science manager from one of the renowned firms in India. So he really helped me in formulating my answers for my interviews and preparing for the interview. If someone is looking for a value for money course in the field of data science, so that AlmaBetter is a place for you, because it's not just about the curriculum that AlmaBetter providing, it's about the people. You will get opportunity to interact with some of the very interesting and great people in AlmaBetter. If you are ready to push yourself, AlmaBetter is a place for you.